Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show all activity on your public profile on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, go ahead and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. Okay, after that, here you can click on profile icon at the bottom. Then select your account option here. Okay, after that, here you can scroll to the bottom and select profile option. Okay, and then here please tap on edit profile and select privacy settings. Next you can scroll down and then you can check to this list. Hide all activity on your public profile. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show all activity on your public profile on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.